This style is ideal for dirty hair because then you can get lots of extra volume. I'm on third day hair and I'm taking dry shampoo from Batiste and just spraying that all over my hair, massaging it in so that I get some extra volume and all of the oils in my scalp are soaked up so that the hair isn't weighed down. Then I'm just taking a tangle teaser, brushing out all of the tangles, and I'm going to part my hair. So I'm taking that top crown section and I'm going to heat it up with a curling iron. I'm using about a 1.5 inch iron, and the important thing is you just want to make sure that you get the hair really hot so that when you set it on the roller it's able to cool completely to the sides of the roller. Now I'm using jumbo rollers. If your hair is shorter, you're going to want to use large or medium rollers, but since my hair is so long and I've got so much of it, I've got to use the jumbo ones. I'm doing the same thing, taking the next section of hair, again 2 to 3 inches, and you're going to heat it up on that iron, release the curl, and quickly put it on the roller. You're not going to want to take sections that are bigger than the roller because then they'll be sliding all over the place and they're not going to cool quite as evenly. So repeat the same process. You're going to take another section of hair, heat it up on that iron, and quickly roll it onto the roller so that it sets. It's really important that you don't let the hair cool in the small curl. You want to make sure it is always cooling on the roller. Alright, so now for these front sections, what you're going to do is take horizontal pieces. I divide mine up into 2 sections. I do the back part of the front and then the front part of the front. I am curling towards the back of my head and then wrapping the hair around the jumbo roller. The reason I'm doing towards the back of my head is so that the curls are going away from the face. If you like your curls to go towards the face, then you're going to want to curl towards your forehead, but if you want them away from the face, always remember, just do it towards the back of your head. So now that I have gotten all of the layers of my hair up in the jumbo rollers, I am going to do the lower sections of my hair, which are the longest pieces. I'm not going to be bringing these up quite as high because I want them to have a lot of body. So you guys can see I'm only taking it about a half of the way up the hair. But you're doing the same process. You heat it up with that iron and then roll it on the Velcro roller before it cools so that it can set in a nice big wave. Now that we've gotten all the rollers set, you're going to want to let these cool completely before you start taking them out. So probably about 15 to 20 minutes. It's really important that you let them cool completely, otherwise you're not going to get quite as much volume. Once you have gotten all of the rollers out, you're going to want to comb through the hair just so that you can remove all of the tangles before you start breaking it up with your fingers. You're going to want to flip the hair so that you can bring back all of the body, and then you can put in hairspray if you like. My hair holds curl really well, so I always skip on hairspray, and then you guys can see it makes you look like you have so much hair because you just have so much body. I love this hairstyle. I hope you guys really liked this tutorial, and I will see you in my next one. I love you all.